of essential commodities. The news in detail. Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Minister Komingwan Umban today acknowledged that while the prices of vegetables and meat in Shillong are slightly high, there has been no significant overall price rise in the state. He criticized VPP for politicizing the issue ahead of the MDC elections. The minister attributed the higher prices to logistical challenges, explaining that trucks carrying vegetables must take the Mau Kasiang road as heavy vehicles are not allowed to pass through the Umiam Bridge. Additionally, the absence of rail connectivity to the state capital increases transportation costs.
Purchase or retail, you have to select a good item, no? Like onion, suppose you do wholesale, you purchase around 50 rupees per kg in one bag. Then after you reach Laim Kra, some roasted also there. These people retail, they have to increase the price. No?